Dua Abu Hamza Sumali. O my Master, my understanding has led me to you, and my love for you serves as my intercessor before you. My trust in my proof is only because it was you who guided me to it. And I am at peace with my intercessor because you are the one who accepts intercession, O my Lord and Master. I call upon you with a tongue silenced by the burden of my sins. O Lord, I confide in you with a heart drowned in the darkness of my transgressions. I call upon you with a soul trembling between fear and hope, longing for your mercy yet dreading my shortcomings. My Master, when I reflect upon my sins, I am overwhelmed with grief and remorse. But when I turn to your boundless mercy, hope rekindles within me. If you forgive me, then indeed you are the most merciful of those who show mercy. But if you choose to punish me, even then, you would not be unjust. O Allah, the audacity that brought me before you despite my sinful deeds stems only from your immense generosity and grace. The courage with which I seek refuge in your presence during times of distress and hardship is born out of my trust in your infinite compassion and kindness. I have placed my hope in you because I know that despite my failings, you will not turn me away empty-handed. So fulfill my hopes and answer my prayers, O the most generous of those who are called upon. O the best of those in whom hearts find solace. O my Master, my desires have soared high while my deeds have sunk low. So grant me from your infinite mercy in proportion to my boundless hopes, and do not hold me accountable for my transgressions. For your kindness is far too vast to punish the sinners, and your patience is far too great to swiftly seize those who falter. And I, O my Master and Lord, I run in search of your grace, yearning for your mercy. I flee from my sins only to seek refuge in you, trusting in the promise you have made to those who hold good expectations of you. O Lord, what significance do I, an insignificant servant, hold? And why would you fear anything from me? So, forgive me purely out of your grace, and bestow upon me your kindness through your mercy. O Lord, cover my faults, and grant me honor and dignity. Pardon my sins, and through the majesty of your grandeur, cleanse me of my transgressions.